Hello guys, MDI just released the results for its flagship MBA program. It offers 4 specializations: Core MBA, International Business, Human Resource Management and Business Analytics. I have been accepted in International Business specialization and waitlisted in 3 others. According to the numbers from last year, I am expected to convert all the branches except the core branch. In the past few days, I have extensively talked to my mentors who have either passed from these branches from MDI or are currently studying at MDI. In addition to this, I also analyzed various LinkedIn profiles of MDI alumni who have passed from these specializations and also the placement reports of MDI from the past few years. And based on this, I made this video, so please watch the entire video for complete information based on inputs straight from MDI alumni. First, we will talk about the most popular option, that is the core branch. Here, most of the subjects are common and students are supposed to choose their specialization only in the second year. Almost all legacy companies, including the big 4 accounting firms and the MBB consulting firms like McKinsey, BCG are regular recruiters and pick students from this branch. इसके बारे में वैसे तो ज़्यादातर लोगों को पता होता है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, बट अगर किसी को नहीं पता है तो MDI की वेबसाइट पे जाके प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट्स चेक कर सकते हैं. उसमें कोर ब्रांच में क्या स्पेशलाइजेशन और सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफर्ड हैं और क्या प्रोमिनेंट रोल्स ऑफर करती हैं कंपनीज, ये आप वहाँ पे डायरेक्टली जाके देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट डिस्कस करते हैं इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस स्पेशलाइजेशन. वी विल फोकस हेयर मोर बिकॉज नॉट मैनी पीपल नो अबाउट दिस स्पेशलाइजेशन. दिस स्पेशलाइजेशन गिव्स अ डुअल डिग्री. इन द फर्स्ट 2 terms, student is in MDI Gurgaon, and in the term 3, 4 and 5, student is in ESCP Business School, which is located across 6 locations in Europe: Paris, Berlin, London, Madrid, Turin and Warsaw. The last term, that is the 6th term, is again spent in MDI Gurgaon. This means that the student spends entire 1 year in Gurgaon and 1 year in Europe. Students while in Europe need to find summer internships on their own. However, the final placement is common with the entire batch in Gurgaon. My seniors told me that almost all students who go to Europe are able to find summer internships because of the active help of the MDI network and also because of the MIM tag from ESCP Business School, which is ranked 4th in the international ranking. Also, several of these European companies where students intern tend to absorb the interns as full-time employees after the completion of their academic curriculum. Students in the meantime only have to bear the living expenses on their own, which most of the students are able to because of the internship stipend being paid either in euros or in pounds. In short, international business branch उन लोगों के लिए सूटेड है जिनको कोर में जगह नहीं मिल पाई है और उनको कोर जैसी ही अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ चाहिए हों, क्योंकि आफ्टर ऑल प्लेसमेंट्स तो कॉमन होते हैं और गुड़गांव में होते हैं, और साथ ही साथ जिनको यूरोप में 1 साल के लिए मस्त घूमना हो, कल्चर एक्सपीरियंस करना हो और इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्क बनाना हो. Moving on to the HRM branch. This is one of the best HRM courses offered in India. Only XLRI, TIS, MDI and SCMHRD offer HRM courses of world class level. Courses here include HR specific subjects like talent acquisition and retention, motivational theories, organizational culture. Pick this branch only if you are genuinely interested in human resource management and you love to solve organizational and cultural problems. Those who don't have any reference material, I recommend that you watch the videos of Josh Bursin on YouTube to know various job opportunities in the HR domain. I have given the link of this individual in the description below. Now, lastly, to the business analytics specialization. This is one of the newly offered specialization and focuses heavily on the in-demand subjects like SQL, Python, R, Power BI and machine learning. Only few other good institutions offer these courses like IIM Calcutta, Bangalore, IFT and BITS. Though less info is available, still one of the top recruiters include EXL and Walmart. For now, packages offered are less as compared to the core branch, but in the coming time, placements in this specialization are expected to match those of IIM Bangalore, Calcutta and IFT BA programs. This specialization is suited for people with a technical background and especially who love mathematics, statistics and coding. Now please note that the remuneration offered is comparable irrespective of the branch you choose. Number wise, there is not much difference in the top 10 percentile in all the branches and it is around 42 LPA except the BA branch. Also, the final placements are common for all the 4 specializations. So even the guys who have IB or HRM as their specialization get an opportunity to sit for interviews in the top consulting firms like Accenture, McKinsey or BCG. All said and done, MDI is a very well respected brand in the industry and will give a very solid boost to your career in the corporate. Now, there are few frequently asked questions which I would like to address. First is that suppose you have converted the non-core branch and have simultaneously been waitlisted in the core branch and now you are confused should you pay the 6 lakh or not. Then I think you should pay the 6 lakh because if you use this 6 lakh to block your seat in the non-core and after 1 month, if say you convert the core waitlist, then the 6 lakh you paid now will be adjusted for the core branch conversion and you don't have to pay 6 lakh again. Second FAQ, waitlisted candidates don't have to pay any fees till the time they don't have a final convert in their preferred specialization. If your first preference is core but you have converted HRM, then even if you do not pay any fee for HRM, you are still considered for upgradation in your core preference. And third is the spot round. People have a lot of confusion with respect to what spot round is. Spot round is an admission which happens at the last stage, just before the college is about to begin. If some admitted student withdraws his or her admission because they want to study in some other institution, then the seat vacated by them is available for you to grab in the spot round, given that you are ready to pay the fee of 6 lakh in a very short period of time. So this happens usually just before the admission of the college, just before the classes are going to begin in June and July. So after these FAQs, I want to first of all congratulate you. Finally, after all the sacrifices made by your parents and you have cracked one of the top B schools in the country. So congratulations. Cherish this moment. You totally deserve it. Second, my purpose was to help you make an informed decision as your choices of the branch will make a significant difference in the trajectory of your career. I hope this video was useful in that regard. And lastly, please do not waste time in anxiety with respect to other B school results or waitlist movement. मेरा भी XLRI का result pending है, so I understand your anxiety. But please focus on building relevant skills that will give you an edge in the coming 2 years. I recommend completing Excel and financial statement analysis course at Udemy. Remember, लड़ाई अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है बल्कि शुरू होने वाली है. All the best.